If you haven't seen the last handful of videos, here's some of the stuff you missed.
Mike, what time is it?
There it is, completed. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. Let's see here. Wait, I've been around on this thing for 5 minutes and I'm still right here? Man. No, not quite. Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. Yeah, this is I'm actually doing probably about a 6-part mini-series, a little 6 to 8 minutes once a month. Where I'm rebuilding this quad that I'm sitting on right now to give away. So we're going to call this quad giveaway build. Quad giveaway build. Yeah, the first part in the series is just stripping it down and checking out the wiring. You'll see what I'm doing. I'm doing this in a whole bunch of the smaller parts because, well, I can't put up with listening to myself for 45-50 minutes. Somebody sent me an email saying that I sound like a congested Kermit the Frog, so I guess I'm not the only one. Now, on to the show. Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. And I finally got back to Denver after that long trip across the mountains with chains on my tires. I don't know if you've seen the video yet, but now it's, I worked hard, now it's time to work a little bit harder to play hard later, I guess. As you can see, I got a little quad there. I got that one and another one behind it. Now, I'm not sure what's wrong with them yet, so I gotta strip them down first. You know, you can't do surgery with a patient's fully clothed. That's what that dentist said to me when I woke up. Nice little seat. Looks like it's, I don't know if you can see that from there, but it's missing the voltage regulator. Felt the regulator. The electrical, yeah. Put this down here. Yeah, I'm gonna need to go shopping for parts to before I get this thing running. After 120 years of argument and debate, finally there can be peace in America. Whether you prefer underhand, overhand, or you just sit it on the top of the toilet like that. One thing America can finally agree on. We're just glad if it's there. I'm Average Mike, and I approve this message. Now back to the show. Already in progress. Yeah, there it is, more or less stripped down. The wiring harness came in the mail from China. Hopefully it doesn't have anything weird on it. I want to see exactly how much is in this wiring harness. Hopefully enough of it's there so I get this bike up and running today. Yeah, I changed out the carburetor. Unfortunately, that video disappeared and I'm not going to redo it. Sorry. Okay, it goes in here. Yeah, okay, so that's wasted anyways. Yeah, starter solenoid. 10mm socket to pop this off real quick. This is gonna be interesting. Got a new battery cable on it. I don't know where this fuse goes, and there's nothing. That wasn't there on the original. Yeah, finally got all these weird cables strung out the way they're supposed to be. Now it's just time to start connecting them. Got rid of all the old. The only old is on the bike itself. There we go. And this one here actually goes to the rear brake, which the rear brake sensor, which the wiring harness kind of broke off of. And when I touched the battery directly to the starter, found out the starter seized up, so that's got to be replaced too. One thing at a time on this old bike. Yeah, that concludes this episode of Quad Giveaway Build. Quad Giveaway Build. Yeah, tune in about 4 weeks from now, and we'll have the next part of this video mini-series up. Yeah, but yeah, watch some more shows in the meantime. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Can't remember, is it over here or is it over here? Well, there's that smiley face with some broken teeth. And way down over there. Click on that and you're automatically subscribed to the channel. Like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. Appreciate that. Yeah, don't forget to hit that share button. That's probably right about here, give or take. Anything if you want to see some future videos, you got any suggestions, you go ahead and leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.